Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to put a video within text to create a cool text effect on Canva. So here I've already opened a blank design on Canva, and the first thing that you need to do is head to Elements, and here search for the frame letter. Okay, just click on frames in here, click on see all, and then just choose the letter so that it makes a word. So I'm going to just use the word yes. So I'm going to add S, E, and also Y, and just align the text in here or the frame. Okay, align it like this. Put it at the center of your canvas. You can also adjust the size. Okay, and then after that, head to the video options on Canva and then search for smoke video. So you can just search for one. I'm going to use the one I recently used. So I'm using this keyword, white smoke. And these are the results, and I'm using this ones right here. You can just choose which one that you think fits your needs the best. Okay, and then after that, just drag and put it on the frame letter like this. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, the last one here. Okay, so the smoke video has been inserted to the letter, and here you can just double click on the letter and adjust the size so that the video will align. So for example, like this, you can just adjust it on your liking. I'm going to put the second one in full size like this. Then the last one. Okay, and after that you are done. And here, if you want to see the result, you can just play it on top here. So the result will go like that. Okay, so that's all from me. That's how you can add a video within text to create a cool text effect like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.